my excitement for these. Hey y'all, it's Lana J and I'm back again with another video. How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good. Happy Thanksgiving. I am filming this on Thanksgiving, but y'all will see this tomorrow on Black Friday. Shopping day of the year. Well, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But today we will be doing a sneaker haul, or new sneaker pickups as the sneakerheads say. So I have recently... Yes, let's just get started. Oh wait, no, before we get started, follow me on my socials at Lana J with 3 underscores, and you'll be able to see all the pictures coming with these sneakers, as well as any of my other fashion pictures and any updates about what's going on in my life. All right, now we can start. Alrighty guys, so like I said, sneaker pickups. I'm so excited. I have recently, like literally 2-3 days ago, got some dunks. Oh my gosh. If you know, you know. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. If you know, you know. I have been wanting dunks since 2020, when I started to see them on Instagram what are words I'm trying to say? Being photographed. Yes, being photographed with like jeans, skirts, shorts, cargos. Like, they literally go with anything. And I was like, oh my gosh, a shoe that's like me. I literally go with anything. So I need this. As soon as I ran to GOAT, I was like, okay, dunk low, whatever. The resale price for the 2 pair of shoes I have, bro, sis, whomever is watching, it is high, guys. It is way too high. Like 250, 300 for if it's a certain color, wink wink. Like, oh my gosh. But luckily I got these for retail. So yes, if you don't know, I do work at Nike. So I work at a Nike live store. And basically we do get products that is heat sometimes. So when we do get it, it was on the floor. I walked into my Nike store and I saw it, I got it, and that's the end of the story for that. So, and no, I do not have any advantages, so don't even start that in the comments. But anyway, this is what is this? Oh, this is the special pair. Hold on, let me get the other pair before I show those. So first shoe that we have is the Women Dunk Low Pandas. So these are the Pandas. These are the black and white colorway Dunk Low. I'm sure right here. I got them in a size 9. For men's, that is a 7.5. They retail for $100. And they look amazing. This is like so clean. Like, look, oh gosh, look at the shoe, guys. Let's just take a moment to look at the shoe, okay? I mean, she's cute. She's cute. So I did wear these on my second day of work this week, or my third day of work this week, after I got them, and the wear of them is pretty comfortable. They kind of just are like Jordans, like Jordan ones, like the way that they feel on the foot. They don't feel like tight or weird. I definitely recommend getting your size or going up half a size. It all depends on how you feel about the fit of your foot. I know some women like to go down half a size or like to go up half a size. So ladies out there, please, if you get a chance, to try on the shoe, try on the shoe. If you could estimate and you're able to send it back if you're doing resale, and if you're doing resale prices and you need to send the shoe back because it doesn't fit properly, make sure that you're able to do that, and make sure as soon as you get it, you try it on. Try your hardest, ladies, not to crease it, because the seller might not like the fact that you crease the shoe, and that might deplete the value of your return. So yeah, but these are really, really nice. They actually started out as skateboard shoes, or shoes for skateboarders, prior to my Nike knowledge. Now that I know, they actually started out as a skateboarder shoe, and then because of how the shoe went with a lot of different fashion trends, like cargos, skinny jeans, regular jeans, shorts, skirts, like all that stuff, a lot of different people started wearing them, and they started making their way everywhere. So now you see them in like Instagram and YouTube and TikTok. Like anybody who's like an influencer, content creator, they definitely have a pair of Dunks. Whether they know the fashion behind it, or the history behind it, or they don't know. So yeah, I really like them. I love the silhouette of them. I also like that even though they're called Dunk lows, they're not just like Jordan lows, you know. So I like that it looks like a Jordan, but it's not a Jordan. I think that's pretty cool to me, honestly. I like Jordans too, don't get me wrong, but it's like, because this doesn't have the Jordan name on it, it's $100. But if you get something with Jordan on it, it's like $120, $145, $190, depending on what shoe it is. This stays at $100. So retail price though, retail price. But yeah, like this stays at $100, which is very affordable. This is like the Air Force One. You know, Air Force One stays at $90, doesn't go any higher than that, doesn't go any lower than that unless you catch a sale. And this is what that shoe is like, pretty much, to me. You know, you have different Air Force Ones, you have different Dunks. You can have a whole bunch of them, you can have 1 to 2 pairs, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I really like these, really, really cute, and they go with a lot because they're pandas, so they're black and white. Yay! So happy about them. And I'll show you guys a picture of what I wore to work when I was wearing them right here. Took a bunch of pictures in our mirror. Okay, so that was this pair. Is it this way? No. No, it is this way. I always have trouble putting sneakers back into the box like firsthand. I'm like, what way exactly do I go? Okay. Alright. So that's the first pair of Dunks that I got. Ow. Sorry, guys. And the second pair of Dunks that I got, get excited, because these are the ones that I was like 300, 400, wink, wink. These, baby, the low coast. Okay. Ugh. My excitement for these, when I saw these hit our store, I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to have them. And by the way, they sold out the next morning. So yeah, and so did the black and white ones sold out. They sold out the next day, but not the next morning, the next day. These, however, sold out the next morning. Okay, she popular, but this is not the UNC colorway. These are the low coast. These are the low coast. Okay, okay, okay. Low coast, golden in the back. Y'all see that? Golden, yellow in the back. Golden Nike swoosh on the tongue. Golden aglets at the end of the laces. See? You see the golden aspects? That is what makes this shoe the low coast and not the UNC Dunk. Just do a little spin for y'all. Oh, and the gold on the inside. So yeah, guys, I was posting these like every day on my Instagram story last year during the pandemic when I had nothing else to do. I was looking at these shoes. I saw them everywhere. Like, they were mocking me. They were mocking me. And now, a year later, I now have 2 pairs of Dunks. Now, I don't know if that's directly because I work at the Nike store, because the Nike store was always going to open. But was I always going to get the job? We don't know. I easily, honestly, I probably would have kept going into that Nike store if I did not get the job. If I didn't get the job, I probably would have been in that store like every other day just to see how many new things they had. And I most likely would have came across them. Cause the Nike store is like very close to me. I'm always shopping. I'm always, you know, especially for the holiday season. I'm always shopping. I'm always looking at deals and like things to get and new stores popping up around me. So I definitely would have seen these shoes. I feel like in my spirit, I feel like I would have seen these shoes. But anyway, these also do retail for $100. If you come across them in any nearby releases or anything, hop on it, sis. If you get any intel that these are dropping somewhere and it's legit, hop on it. Be prepared. Please be prepared. Please be prepared, because this is a very high-end wanted shoe. Like, this shoe, I wish I had my phone right by me to read you guys the exact price that this goes for on GOAT right now, but I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here, the price that it goes on GOAT and StockX. So GOAT, StockX. This is the resale price for this shoe right now. Now, would you pay the resale or would you pay retail? Let me know down below, okay? So, excuse me. Unfortunately, I did not get any pictures in this shoe yet. I am going to do, I'm gonna do on the feet for both of the shoes. I'm gonna do them in my full-on Nike haul, and that's gonna include some of the things that I got to wear for work so that I can be all Nike'd out, you know. And also just stuff for my sweatpants collection and hoodie, not even sweatpants, hoodie collection and like leggings collection. So that will be coming in that video, so please look out for that. This was just a regular review and me just talking about the shoes. Again, I really don't know anything else to say about these shoes other than if you can get them, get them. If you can get them for retail, even better, okay? Like, these shoes just bring me so much joy and happiness. I can't believe I have them. That's the thing. I can't believe I have them. So, again, about to get both shoes out. Just to show you guys. Again. So we have the low coast and we have the Pandas. Look at them looking good next to each other. I can't. I am officially part of the Dunk gang, and I definitely will have more because these shoes are comfortable to me. Like, they're comfortable. I wear Air Forces all the time. I wear Jordans anytime that I try to, and I'm not trying to like I'm not doing too much. I'll wear them. So yeah, this is me. This is definitely a me shoe, okay? And also what I wanted to say about Black Friday is Nike online is having a sale. I believe it is 20% off online, up to 20% off. It might be even more than that, but I definitely know that it starts at 20% off. They have new apparel and they have some sneakers dropping. I don't know exactly what sneakers are dropping, but they do have some new releases online, so definitely go check that out. Yeah, and my job did not tell me to say that. I literally just want to put y'all on because Nike is a really great brand and they really know what they're doing when it comes to shoes, tights, hoodies, just apparel in general. They know what they're doing. So yeah, I just wanted to put that little tip in for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul or this little sneaker pickup. Let me know down below if you guys have any questions about any shoes or shoe sizes and shoe conversions. Remember, I got both Dunks in a size 9, which is a men's size 7.5, which is my true shoe size. I can go up or down. I can even go higher than a size 9. I just chose to just get a size 9. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow me on my socials at Alana J with 3 underscores so that you guys can see how I style these. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!